if you want to improve the sound quality on Samsung Galaxy S25, what you can do is go to settings. In settings, go to sounds and vibration, and then if you scroll all the way down, you will find sound quality and effects. And over here we have several options that will help us improve the quality of the audio played from the phone. For example, we can use Dolby Atmos, which is by default it is disabled, but you can turn it on, and probably you want to set it to automatic so that the sound will be optimized by the phone itself, depending on whether you are listening to music or watching a movie or just listening to a voice, for example during a call. Besides that, we have the equalizer, which is set to balanced by default, but if you feel like you wish to have more bass, then of course we can increase it by selecting the bass boost preset. You can also set it to custom, for example, if you know how to adjust the equalizer, if you know what these frequencies do and how the loudness or changes in the loudness work, and then of course feel free to adjust it by yourself. But if not, then of course we have different options here like dynamic, smooth, clear, and treble boost as well. So you can try these presets one by one in order to, of course while listening to something, in order to decide by yourself which one you like the most. Besides that, if you feel like voices while watching a movie are too loud or too quiet actually, then we can boost dialogue. Sometimes the ambient sounds that are played in the background when people are talking in a movie, they can be too quiet, so we can increase that volume of the speech by using that option. And if you listen to music a lot and you feel like the difference in volume between different songs is too high, then in that case you can enable loudness normalization, which prevents the sound from suddenly becoming too loud or too quiet while playing media. So this is not just music but media in general. So when the media is too quiet, it will be turned up, and if it's too loud, it will be turned down. And that is essentially it. Of course, we also have app sound settings where we can change sound settings in the quick panel while using a media app. And we also have adapt sound option, but this is more, well, this also can improve the sound quality if you think about it, because this allows you to boost frequencies. If you feel like you need a little bit of tune of the sound for your ears, so you can use that option as well if you feel like you need a personal sound profile, or adjust it at least. And that is pretty much it. This is everything that we can do in order to improve the sound quality on S25. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!